Should I buy or sell Microsoft? The report for Microsoft was first published on our website Thursday, January 12, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since January 12, 2023, our system ranks Microsoft as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.714. In the period the stock had natural movements but currently sit with a loss of 0% since we first recommended hold/accumulate. In our daily updates for Microsoft, our last headline reads, Stronger technical forecast for Microsoft stock price after Thursday trading. The Microsoft stock price gained 1.16% on the last trading day, Thursday, January 12, 2023, rising from $235.77 to $238.51. It has now gained 6 days in a row. It is not often that stocks manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.71% from a day low at $233.56 to a day high of $239.90. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.7% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -1 million shares, and in total, 27 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.48 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $320.88, and the lowest price was $213.43. Right now the price is 25.67%, or $82.37, below 52-week high, and 31.79%, or $111.16, below all-time high November 22, 2021, where the price hit $349.67. The stock is moving within a wide and horizontal trend, and further movements within this trend can be expected. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 1.79% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -7.09% and 10.37%. The 12-month trend indicates a -21.60% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -34.06% and -13.46%. This equals a price between $157.27 and $206.40 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Tuesday, January 10, 2023, Barclays set price target to 280. On Monday, January 9, 2023, Piper Sandler set price target to 247. On Thursday, January 5, 2023, D.A. Davidson set price target to 270. On Wednesday, January 4, 2023, UBS set price target to 250. On Wednesday, November 2, 2022, Macquarie set price target to 234. From analysts, Microsoft stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Microsoft. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Microsoft stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $242.34. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $229.51. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 5, 2023, and so far it has risen 7.29%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 91 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $231.32, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $6.34 between high and low, or 2.71%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 2.32%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Microsoft. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Microsoft currently has a price-earning ratio of 25.38. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2022 is expected to be released Jan 24, 2023. The consensus among the analysts are $2.29. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Microsoft meets first resistance at $244.69. If you do not hold Microsoft shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Microsoft finds first level of support at $231.32, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Microsoft is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On December 15, 2022, Hoya Alice L. made an inside sell of 264,433 of common stock. On December 12, 2022, Walmsley Emma N. made an inside sell of 69,901 of common stock. On December 12, 2022, Walmsley Emma N. made an inside buy of 233 of common stock. On December 12, 2022, Thompson John Wendell made an inside buy of 297,018 of restricted stock units. On December 12, 2022, Walmsley Emma N. made an inside sell of 66,901 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 12.123. In total, the insiders bought 537,653,541 and sold 416,011,477 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $229.88, minus 3.62%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 5 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a buy? Microsoft holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Friday 13th, we expect Microsoft to open down -$1.19 and start trading at $237.32. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to